Hi guys, this is Romil Jetwa, and in this blog I'm going to address to you about how to apply in German university via UniAssist. And besides of that, I also would like to give information how to upload the documents on the UniAssist. So here we go. Type on the UniAssist login in any web browser or Google Chrome. Just click on UniAssist online portal. Here I have ID which I have already created, and write it down the password. Now directly one page will be open and it will be look like this. So here you guys have one question: how to find the courses. Before the application we have to upload our documents. So how to upload our documents or the applicant documents, I will assist you. You have to click on the my applications and just click on the documents. I will show one example how to upload the documents here. Just click on the select. So here I have a list of the documents. I upload all documents one by one. I will uh, give you only one example how to upload the CV here, and you can do all documents simultaneously. And just select the category here, Lebenslauf. Lebenslauf means CV. Just upload it. So this is the way you can upload the whole documents one by one simultaneously. Now it's time to apply on the university. So just click on the home button, select intake you want to study. I want to study in winter semester 2021-22, and I select the university. That is Fachhochschule Aachen. Click on the advanced search. Type of degree I want to study in bachelor's degree. I want to study in chemistry, that's why I select chemistry and add it to my selection list. And I also want to apply on the another courses, that is Betrieb Wissenschaft Praxis Plus. Just select it, and this course is already added. Okay, just scroll it up and click on my box, where you find the page like this. Just scroll it down, scroll it down. So each university fees has charged €30 by UniAssist in order to verify the documents and send it to the university. Just click on check acknowledgement. then agree with all terms and conditions and just click on payment process. Just add the all detail and complete your payment. By this way, you can apply on the Uni Assist. After payment receiving, you can check your application status on application overview. Here I just do not payment because I just like to address you guys about the Uni Assist application. So just payment is pending. Just scroll it down. If your payment is received, then they showed here payment is received like that. So this is the whole procedure, how to upload the documents in UniAssist and how to do application via UniAssist in order to get it. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and in upcoming blog I will address to how to apply on the German university via Dart portal directly. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much.